Hello everybody, welcome to LI.F I demo. Today we'll be showing a side-by-side comparison of swapping ETH on the mainnet to FTM and Phantom network. We're using LI.F I, a bridge aggregator on the right side versus Connext, a bridge on the left. With Connext, to perform a cross-chain swap, you need to swap ETH to USDC, then perform a cross-chain swap of mainnet USDC to Phantom USDC, and lastly swap Phantom USDC to FTM, altogether 3 separate transactions. With LI.F I, swap interface on the right, you can perform any-to-any cross-chain swap, meaning you can swap from ETH to FTM and bridge to the Phantom network, without any additional steps in the process. The goal with LI.F I is to abstract unnecessary steps and provide a stellar user experience that is simple to use and where users don't have to think about how to move their capital from one chain to another. For LI.F I, the name of the game is abstraction. LI.F I is a cross-chain bridge aggregation protocol, connecting DEXs and DEX aggregators on multiple chains to bridges between them, allowing any cross-chain swaps. You can read more about us and our tech on li.fi or on our blog at blog.li.finance.